In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on confirm with switch control in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot switch control. When I see switch control, I tap on it, and that takes me straight into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the switch control screen, I start scrolling down through the available options. I keep moving slowly until I find the setting labeled confirm with switch control. Once I see it, this is where I can control the feature directly. At this point, I tap the toggle to turn confirm with switch control on. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. If I ever want to turn it off again, I can come right back here and tap the same toggle to switch it back. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stayed enabled and everything looks right. I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready, since the setting updates automatically. Now I'm backing out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens. And that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap switch control, scroll down, and toggle confirm with switch control on or off. And that's all there is to it. So you've now seen how to turn on confirm with switch control on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever